Okay, Mr. Foster, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, what's happening is this. She's out and she's partying, she's having fun, she's doing all this stuff like all on social media. She's a social media influencer. I met her because I'm one of her super fans.
Oh,
yeah.
This is
and
cute.
How it happened was that we, since I'm a super fan, I'm kind of following her around, see what she's doing. But she actually called for me to cater to one of her areas, which is how we actually hooked up from there, because I'm a chef.
Okay.
We have one child together, and she's not really doing the things that she's supposed to do as a mom.
It started with a double tap and a dream. A superfan turned personal chef, now standing in court pleading for responsibility. He says she's traded diapers for DMs, parenthood for parties. But is she really just chasing clout? Or is there more to this story? One child, two lives, and a courtroom ready to decide what's next. But just when you think you've got it figured out, wait till you hear what she has to say.
Supporting the child, being there for them, paying any Medicaid or so, dealing with for the child. I practically do all that. And I brought her here today just to say, hey, you gotta step up your game. You gotta do something, help out this child, because I can't be the only supporter if you're here supposed to do something as well. I mean, I can do it, but I do need a little bit more income for that.
Okay, I'm a little bit more interested in the background. You know, how you became a super fan and you hooked up.
Well, I'm a follower.
I mean, I don't need all the details about, how the child was conceived. I'm just interested to see how that works,
He's not asking for much, just a little help to raise their child. Medicaid bills, emotional presence, a partner in parenthood. But when love starts on social media, does it have what it takes to survive in the real world? And as the judge digs deeper into their bizarre influencer meets caterer origin story, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just a custody hearing. It's the unraveling of an online fantasy. And her side of the story, it's coming next.
Well, I'm the type of guy that I always post all my stuff, letting people know this is what I do, like all my catering stuff and all that. But when it comes to her, I know that she does all this stuff, and I know she's a big influencer, and she pretty much puts everything out there. She's really, when it comes to making it to a live stream, she can do that. She has that. But so that's what I did. I actually reached out to her in that way, and that's how I got more of my influence out there, so I can actually start catering and partying to catering to all these parties.
Okay, all right. And so you want her to pay child support?
Yes.
All right, and you said the child is on Medicaid,
yes.
Correct? Okay.